Gareth, you left that one late.
Yeah, no, it was. We knew it was going to be a difficult game coming here, and I think a lot of teams that come here before, I don't think we've won here for 20 years, so it shows how difficult a place it is to come. The humidity was incredible, and yeah, we had a game plan, we stuck to it, and thankfully we nicked a goal.
You scored a better header than that?
Not too many better, to be honest, and at a vital time, which is important. So the boys, we worked so hard tonight as a group. Maybe obviously wasn't our best performance in terms of attacking, but we defended well as a unit, and we showed what a good team we are again.
You look pretty frustrated on times, even with your own performance.
Yeah, no, it was a difficult game. Don't get me wrong. It doesn't always go for you, and you just have to keep fighting through. And that's one thing we have in this team. Even if we're not playing to the best of our ability, we'll give 110%, and sometimes that's good enough.
Another clean sheet for that defence behind you.
Definitely, and we try and defend as a whole team from the front to back, and yeah, I think the back line were incredible tonight, and yeah, I thought in the end we deserved to win. We created the better chances, and yeah, I can't really say much more.
What about Israel now then on Sunday? You know the Welsh public will expect you to deliver France on Sunday.
Yeah, we know what's coming now. Obviously, all our attention's been focused on the Cyprus game. We haven't thought about Israel at all, and yeah, I think that's the good thing about this group. Our eyes on the ball. We haven't taken it off once, and it's literally each game as it comes. And now we'll be turning our attention to Sunday. We know what we need to do, and hopefully we can deliver.
Is crossing the line the hardest thing of all?
I don't know. We've never done it, so I'm guessing it's going to be hard. But yeah, this group we're focused. We really know what we need to do, and hopefully we can deliver on Sunday.
And what will it mean to you, Gareth, to do it in Cardiff as well?
Yeah, it'll probably be the best thing that we've achieved. It's something that I don't even think we've properly qualified before ever. So yeah, if we can get across the line, it will be an amazing thing, not just for us, but the whole nation and whole of Welsh football.
Quick message to the fans who will be there, and thousands who are watching and listening.
I think the ones that obviously came here tonight were incredible. Obviously, we would like to thank them for coming out. We're literally making it like a home atmosphere, and yeah, obviously everybody who's supported us, and yeah, we're obviously looking forward to the game, and yeah, I know the crowd will be behind us, giving us being the 12th man.